How to create Bumble account. First of all, head over to your application Bumble. It will land you on this interface. So right here you can create your Bumble account using your Facebook account or phone number. You can choose whichever method that you prefer. Let me tap on use mobile number. Tap on your phone number. You will receive one verification code on your phone number. You need to copy that code and paste it here. Once you are done, it will land you on this interface. So first of all, enter the name for your Bumble account. Then tap on this arrow. Now you need to enter 2 photos for your Bumble account. Tap on this icon. Tap on upload photos. Click on allow. It will open up your gallery. From here, select your picture that you want to add to your Bumble account. Once you have selected, tap on save at the top right corner. Likewise, select next photo for your Bumble account. You can add more photos, but for now tap on this arrow. Now enter your birth date and then tap on this arrow. Now tap on confirm. You need to select your gender. Once you have selected, move forward the process. So right here it says what are you hoping to find. From here you can select your suitable answer and then move forward the process. Now you need to select your interest. It will help you match with the people who are interested in them too. Once you have selected the interest, tap on this arrow at the bottom right corner. It will land you on this interface. You need to tap on enable location. Tap on allow. So there you go, your Bumble account has been created successfully. Now you can use this app according to your needs. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your Bumble account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.